Welcome to the Warehouse Art School final exhibition at Ovada in Oxford. Ovada stands for Oxfordshire Visual Arts Development Agency and is an artist-run space in the centre of Oxford. My name is Roger Perkins and I'm joint course leader along with my colleague Diddy Baldwin.
I'm Diddy Baldwin. I'm the joint course leader of WAS, and we have a range of work in the exhibition ranging from digital and multimedia, 3D installation, painting and video. People have had different past experiences before they come to WAS, and we celebrate that variety of experience, and we share different ways of working. And the course is very much led on peer-to-peer communication.
And this is a culmination of that year's work. Each of the artists is spending the last 3 months on the work that's been shown here, which is a broad range of professional practice in the visual arts. The aim of the course is to support artists in their professional practice, no matter what level they are at or whichever level they feel they're at. And our role is to support that practice and to introduce to new ways of working and new ways of thinking. As we walk around, you'll see that there's a great range of practice here. Much of it has been influenced by the last 3 months of lockdown. So the course had to resort to being online for the last 3 months, and this is the first time and the first opportunity the students have had to be together in the same place, installing the work and opening the show, whilst obviously maintaining social distancing and mask wearing. So it's been quite a unique event in many ways for each of the students and for the organisation of Ovada as well.
If you're interested in finding out more about the course, please go to www.ovada.org.uk.
Also, if you'd like to see more examples of work from this year and previous years, please go to Vimeo and search Warehouse Art School Ovada.